Welcome everybody. Today I want to discuss about the popular ratio theory or genic balance theory proposed by C.B. Bridges regarding sex determination in Drosophila melanogaster. Now let us start Bridges ratio theory or popularly known as genic balance theory. Drosophila melanogaster, or commonly called fruit fly, is popular specimen of experimental genetics. Its sex determination process was described by C.B. Bridges and popularly known as the ratio theory or genic balance theory. There are 8 chromosomes in Drosophila, 4 pairs, 6 autosomes represented as 2A. A is haploid set of autosome or 3, and other 2 are sex chromosomes. These are X and Y chromosomes. Y chromosome has no role in sex determination in Drosophila. Autosomes in this fly involve in expression of male characters, whereas most female characters are expressed by X chromosome. X chromosome has genes for expression of female characters. Then sex in Drosophila is determined by a ratio between X chromosome and set of autosome, that is A. There is no role of Y chromosome, and X by A ratio is the determinant whether it will be male or female. If a ratio is 0.5, then this is normal male. If ratio 1, this is normal female or fertile male, fertile female. If lower than 0.5, then this is meta-male, and if higher than 1, this is super female, and between 1 and 0.5 the fly will be intersex. Bridges performed experiment between triploid female and normal male. He made a cross in the triploid female with normal male. Triploid female has 3 set of autosomes. Diploid male has 2 set of autosomes, 3A, 3X, 2A, XY. They are karyotype. Then gametes will be produced. 4 types of gametes will be produced from triploid female, and 2 types of gametes will be produced from normal diploid male, A plus X and A plus Y. Then offsprings that will be obtained from this cross are presented in checkerboard below. in this checkerboard, the female and male gametes are presented. 4 types of female gametes and 2 types of male gametes. Then the female and male gametes will produce zygote, and these 8 kinds of zygotes will be formed with 5 different phenotypes. That is, this is female, this is intersex, ratio is 0.67, this is super female, ratio 1.5, this is female, intersex, this is metamale, female, and normal male. Hence, we can decide that greater than 1 will be super female. If ratio is 1, then this is normal female, fertile female. If ratio between 1 and 0.5, this is intersex, and if 0.5, this is normal male, and less than 0.5, this is metamale. Super female, intersex, and metamale, these 3 are die-off, and only the fertile male and female with ratio 0.5 and 1 will survive. Thank you.